Now, Apple is under ransom. Seriously, let's talk about this. Hello everyone, welcome. There's a group of hackers called Revil currently blackmailing Apple supplier Quanta Computer. The group has released detailed document showcasing the 2021 MacBook logic board, including details and imagery of the new ports, and they are asking for $50 million to stop sharing this information to the public. If you don't know, Quanta Computer is a Taiwan-based manufacturer of notebook computers and other electronic hardware. They work with Apple, Dell, HP, Lenovo, LG, Microsoft, BlackBerry, and many other companies. So this is a big company providing service to other big companies, and they have been hacked, and having their information exposed to the public is not good for the business. And this group of hackers, they're putting a big pressure to the company. Now let's see what they have leaked about Apple products, especially the MacBook Pro. Previous reports from other sources indicated that the MacBook Pro model would add new or additional ports. The documents leaked by these hackers make multiple references to code names like J314 and J316, which are the new 14-inch MacBook Pro and the 16-inch MacBook Pro. All these MacBook Pro will have Apple Silicon inside. From these documents, it's possible to notice that on the right side, the MacBook Pro has an HDMI port, a USB-C port, and an SD card slot. On the left side, a MagSafe connector, two USB-C ports, and a headphone jack. You know, the headphone jack. Everyone needs a headphone jack. Based on this, the new MacBook Pro has fewer USB-C ports than on the current model. But I think this one is more pro compared to the current one. The documents also show the 2021 MacBook Pro without a touch bar, which again has been previously reported by other sources. There is still a Touch ID button on the right hand side of the function row, similar to the current MacBook Air. Revil is threatening to release more documents every day as long as Quanta does not pay up for the ransom. So far, the leaks do not include anything as significant as product imagery or design schematics. The documents include detailed schematics of the 2021 iMac that Apple announced, as well as the 2020 MacBook Air. Apple hasn't released any statement regarding this situation yet, but I hope they solve this issue as soon as possible. While we wait for Apple and Quanta to resolve this situation, we will get more information about the products that we'll get from Apple soon. Well guys, that's all for this video. I hope you've liked, and if you did, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.